So basically over here what we have to do is we have to do the same thing. Okay. On here goes inside the wicker. Then another tie inside the wicker as well, as you can see it on here. Okay, now if you want, pause it right here.
Okay.
Tie will be wrapped around the aluminum frame. So what this is going to prevent, the cushion from flying away in the wind. You just got to tie a simple knot. ¿Cuándo dijeron que iban a estar listos? ¿Hasta cuándo dijeron que iban a estar listos? Okay, now we finished the chair.
And pull it for me.
And this is the finished product. So you can see on here that the cushion is tied directly on the frame, and this is going nowhere because it's already tied.